Good morning. We learn or hear from so many people that build a habit of listening, and that help us to drive our conversation with anyone in a much more effective way, much more better way. And how we can do that? Like, we cannot just put ourselves keep listening without noting, without saying any word. That is not the listening skill. That is something you are not resonating with what individual is saying. You're just not responding, not even hearing it completely. That is not listening. That is not obviously listening. That is more like, okay, you are not showing any attention to what he or she is saying. Listening is a skill which is a different way to take it. Like, we have this coaching mode, right? What most of the professor, most of the instructor or teachers, what they do, they put a question and they just listen what others are saying to answer to that question, right? That is something, one approach which we can opt, like ask more question and listen. So that way we can build listening power. Another approach is obviously to be very engaging, interactive with the speaker. Over a few moments, you can note that, okay, got you. Or if the speaker is sharing some interesting anecdote or interesting stuff, you can reply back that, wow, interesting. Something in a similar approach, we can build listening power. And listening power is as good as speaking power. In fact, if we get to understand the listening skill, our communication is going to be much more effective, much more persuasive, and much more convincing. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.